Hello everyone, so today we're making a very simple Korean snack recipe which is called a pajeon. Now these are pancakes which are usually flavored with scallion. However, we're giving it a slight twist by using some kimchi, which is fermented napa cabbage, and we're using some cheese for the pancake. Now by nature, the Korean pancakes are slightly bland, hence we make a flavorful sauce that we're going to put together first, which is going to be used to season the pancakes. So let's get started with the sauce. Now we've got some light soy sauce here, which goes in. We've got some garlic. Raw garlic is great for this recipe. Some sesame oil to add that beautiful Asian flavor. We've got some rice wine vinegar. Now if you don't have rice wine vinegar, you can just use some plain white vinegar and add a dash of sugar to it. Adding some chili flakes. Now if you have gochujang, that's great. You must use it for the recipe. Honey. Finally a dash of water just to thin down the sauce. Now we're not going to cook the sauce too much. All we need is the honey to dissolve and slightly thicken the sauce. So about a minute or two until it starts to simmer is great. Medium to high heat is good for this recipe, otherwise your honey would start to burn. That's it, we're going to turn the flame off and we're going to allow this seasoning sauce to cool down. You can smell the sesame, you can smell the chilies, you can smell the garlic. That's perfect to season the pancakes. Alright, now for the pancakes. We've got some kimchi here. Now you could make any kimchi at home or you could use a store-bought one. It's great for your gut health. Alright, to this we're going to be adding in some gochujang, which is a Korean chili paste. It's slightly sweetish on the palate. Just going to mix this together. Got some raw garlic, some onions. So I'm going to use a whisk. Here goes one egg. Now we are adding in some cheddar cheese and some mozzarella. Half of it goes into the mixture and the other half will be added later. We've got some flour. We've got some corn flour here. Some baking powder. Salt and sugar. Now the kimchi and the gochujang are the main flavoring ingredients for this pancake. We're just going to thin down the mixture with water. Now make sure there are no flour lumps here. Mix it for about a minute or two. Time to cook the pancakes now. So we've got some vegetable oil here. You can always start off with some sesame oil. Now we've got some scallion greens and whites, which is your basic spring onion. Just going to add them in. Always add a pinch of salt. Just going to cook these for about 30 seconds. Do not try and mix it too much because we want the green of the scallions to be seen. Now make sure you mix the batter thoroughly so that there are no lumps. Just going to pour this on top of the scallions. Swirl it around slightly. Balanced cheese, mozzarella, and the cheddar goes on top. We're just going to cover this and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium to low heat. So after about 3 to 4 minutes, the pancake is cooked. We're just going to add some more scallions, add in a little more kimchi. Now we're just going to fold it. I'm going to take it out onto a platter. You see this beautiful light goldenish brown color, that's because of the cheese, and we've got the scallions right here. Now we're going to top it up with this flavorful sauce. Maybe some on top. Just going to add a little bit on the side. Garnish it with a little bit of toasted white sesame seeds, some more scallions. Now you can always fill it up with a side of salad, or we've got these beautiful gnocchi mushrooms right here. Just going to add them in. That's it. So here you go, a very simple and easy Korean cheese and kimchi pancakes, also known as pajeon, is ready. Very easy recipe to put together at home with very common ingredients. Do try this recipe at home and do share your feedback with us. In the meanwhile, we'll be back with many more exciting and easy recipes for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.